Cochlear is here to support you and your patients on their hearing journey. In this series, we outline the process, resources, and support available to you and your patients to help ensure a smooth transition to a Cochlear next-generation sound processor. If a cochlear implant patient is eligible for a replacement sound processor, they will likely want to explore their options before placing an order. Cochlear offers multiple resources to support your patients and you as you counsel them on replacement sound processors. For assistance in counseling patients about replacement sound processors, Cochlear has a recipient-facing team that offers upgrade consultations and order placement for patients. During an upgrade consultation appointment, a patient can learn about new technology and wearing options, learn about the process and timelines, discuss accessories, request their out-of-pocket cost, learn about financing options available for out-of-pocket costs, whether the patient is using insurance or self-paying, and discuss if they need to re-establish care with their clinician. For example, if a patient schedules an upgrade consultation for themselves and has not seen their audiologist recently. In these cases, the Cochlear team recommends the patient schedule an appointment with their audiologist to ensure the clinician has the information they need before an order is placed. When a patient provides consent, a clinic patient report will be sent to you after the upgrade consultation to facilitate transparency and cross-alignment on care. You can schedule a virtual upgrade consultation appointment for your patient with a member of Cochlear's Upgrade Solutions Specialist team. This appointment can be conducted via a video call or a phone call with your patient, depending on what they prefer. Appointments can be scheduled at cochlear.us/rs. If you prefer to counsel patients on upgrades, Cochlear has a variety of recipient-facing resources to support your conversations. To access these resources, visit cochlear.com. Under Ongoing Care and Support, you will find a patient-facing section on Upgrading Your Device that discusses the benefits of upgrading, when to upgrade, how to upgrade, and more. For patients who want to understand how Cochlear sound processors compare to one another, there is a downloadable CI sound processor comparison chart. Whether you choose to refer patients to their Cochlear team member for an upgrade consultation, or you prefer to counsel patients on sound processor upgrades yourself, we're here to help.